Hi, my name is Ken Reed with SkipperBud's, and welcome aboard. Can't complain. This is a 2033-75 Cruisers Yachts. You're going to enjoy what you see. This vessel has been exceptionally well maintained and cared for by all three owners. The current owner has gone through the entire boat and rehabbed just about everything on it, from upholstery to bilge pumps to faucets. Everything's been done on this boat. New cockpit flooring, aft cockpit table, grill, and moving on in. Features of Can't Complain will include LED lighting throughout the boat. As you can see, this sea deck flooring. Canvas has been replaced within the last 3 years. Smart television in the cockpit, which also is interphased with the electronics. There's approximately 650 hours on the 7.4 multi-port fuel injected engines on this boat, and this is a V-Drive Inboard. Other features include Raymarine Axiom 9-inch screens, full instrumentation. There's your hours. We've got the Manti Marine automatic trim tab system, autopilot, Clarion stereo system, which has been upgraded, the upholstery has been redone on the boat as well in the last 2 years. The owner of this boat has really done a nice job in bringing the boat up to date with new cabin wood flooring. This was done about, I believe, 2 years ago, and that's throughout the entire cabin. He's refinished the dinette table to a high gloss cherry finish, replaced all the lighting with LED lights, got a beautifully sized queen size bed. You could call it a king, I guess, in boat terms. Television with soundbar. Nice size head with a separate shower, which is very unique for this size boat. And a beautifully sized galley. And then, of course, the mid-cabin stateroom. This is also a conversation pit. These two cushions pull out, and it's a nice sitting area. And there's a table that'll go in there as well. There's a television. Distribution panel is behind that panel right there. Hanging locker here. Again, just a beautifully well finished cabin. And there you have it. Can't complain. A 2000 Cruisers Yachts 3375. This boat truly is turnkey. There's nothing you need to do to it. It's ready to move in and start cruising. For more information on this boat or any of your other boats, please don't hesitate to call 414-614-2628. Again, my name is Ken Reed with SkipperBud's. Thanks for watching.